What's going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in. I want to give you a little walkthrough of the container bar. We got a lot finished yesterday. We still got to stain it and put a few things up. So right now I'm going up the platform. It's a lovely day in the area. So we did a super good job. So all we gotta do now is finish staining the top, finish doing the wood, and then he's coming back and painting the outside to finish the last coat. So the outside and the parts we had to tack on different stuff. So it's almost done. It's like a great project. It turned out good. I'm excited about it. Hold on.